Hello friends, good morning, good morning. We hope you all are fine. Hey Winnie, come, I'll show you something. Yes, I'm coming. Wow, whose picture is this, Winnie? Yes, I know. Lord Krishna, so beautiful. Tomorrow is our holiday also on occasion of Janmashtami. Yes, Winnie. But do you know why we celebrate Janmashtami? I don't know. Oh, Winnie. Janmashtami is celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna. Yes, Jack. I will also dress up as Lord Krishna tomorrow. Ha. You mean you will wear the dress of Lord Krishna? Yes. And as Krishna loved to eat butter, I also love to eat butter. And I will play flute also. Wow! You must be excited, Winnie. And friends, butter is very good for our health. We all should eat butter. And you know, friends, Lord Krishna protects people from evil. So every year we celebrate Krishna's birthday as Janmashtami. Now it is prayer time. So let's join our hands and close our eyes for the prayer. Let's go, friends.